Hi viewers, today let me discuss about the hot topic of the day. Last 2 to 3 days we were seeing the news coming in the medias, social medias and all the newspapers related to foreign direct investment. It is a long awaiting, long anticipated law and it is discussed a lot to introduce in the UAE nation, and which will give lot of implications in the UAE once it is came into picture. As per the new FDI law, it will be coming to existence from 1st December 2020. Here, without a local sponsor or local Emirati, you can set up a company. That means you can own 100% ownership without a local sponsor. What is the new foreign direct investment law? If I want to discuss about this, I need to talk about the current law. As per commercial company law, for setting up a company for an expatriate, it requires minimum 51% of the local involvement, or 51% has to be held by a 100% owned company owned by an Emirati. See, this has been going to change in the new law. For changing this, the government has changed around 51 articles in commercial company law and new articles came into picture. These details will be enforced from 1st of December 2020. The foreign direct investment law, which was adopted in the year 2018 September through a federal legislative decree number 19 of 2018, but the same has been superseded by passing a decree on March 2020 with a decree number 16 of 2020, which amends the commercial company law number 2 of 2015. Around 51 articles has been amended through this new law. As per the existing law, a company which is listed, a public listed company, can go for initial public offerings up to 30% of the shares. But as per the new law, which is going to come from 1st of December, the public listed company can keep initial public offerings up to 70%. For the existing companies, if they want to amend the ownership, they can do within 1 year. As per the foreign direct investment law, the Cabinet Resolution 16/2020 releases a list of 122 activities who can have 100% ownership in the UAE. The positive list is been mentioned in our blog, and you can go through the blog which we already mentioned in the website. We, Emirates Chartered Accountants Group, can support you for getting information related to this FDI law or to set up a company with 100% ownership in the UAE mainland or free zone or offshore.